Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore a list of amazing new tools on Amazon that are absolutely worth your money and that you should get your hands on right away. These new tools feature breakthrough technology, making your repair or do-it-yourself projects easier and more enjoyable than ever. And make sure to stay tuned until the very last item, because it's an incredibly smart solution that will save you hours of exhausting work. Works Cart. If you have ever thrown your back out lifting heavy mulch or struggled to balance a tippy single-wheel wheelbarrow, the Works WG050 Cart is designed to solve that exact headache. This highly versatile tool redefines yard work by utilizing a clever dual-wheel layout that shifts the center of gravity, making a 200-pound load feel like a mere 17 pounds. Despite weighing just 40.8 pounds itself, this rugged metal cart supports up to 300 pounds in wheelbarrow mode and easily converts into a heavy-duty dolly. It is a fantastic asset for solo homeowners who want to tackle demanding landscaping projects without needing to call in extra help. Keeping your spine happy while getting the job done has never been this straightforward. Ryobi Cutoff Tool. Small cutting jobs often don't justify dragging out a full-size saw, especially when you're working in tight corners. That's where the Ryobi 1 Plus HP compact cutoff tool comes in. Its brushless motor spins a 3-inch wheel at up to 19,500 revolutions per minute, giving it enough power to slice through metal, PV, C-tile, drywall, and more with surprising ease. At just 8.5 inches long, it's comfortable to control with one hand, while dual LED lights and an electric brake improve visibility and safety. It's a practical choice for remodelers, electricians, and do-it-yourself enthusiasts who need fast, accurate cuts almost anywhere. Multicutter. Many cutting tools lose their edge after repeated use, forcing you to stop and sharpen or replace the blade. VECTOOLS approaches the problem differently, with an automatic self-sharpening mechanism built into its high-carbon steel 8-sided blade. Combined with a cordless 4.2-volt design, it delivers smooth cutting through cardboard, leather, plastic sheets, felt, and carpet, while reducing hand fatigue. The ergonomic grip works comfortably for both left and right-handed users, making it a practical companion for warehouse tasks, crafting, and everyday home maintenance. It's an interesting example of how thoughtful engineering simplifies routine work. Acrylic knockdown knife. Drywall finishing often comes down to consistency, and that's where this specialty knife stands apart. Instead of relying on a rigid metal blade, HYDE uses clear acrylic with controlled flexibility, allowing the texture to flatten naturally without digging into fresh compound. Its 18-inch working width covers more surface in each pass, while the tempered aluminum support keeps the blade from warping under pressure. Contractors, remodelers, and serious do-it-yourself users can all appreciate how it speeds up texturing while reducing the amount of touch-up work later. DeWalt Oscillating. Anyone who's tackled a remodeling project knows that one tool rarely handles every cutting job. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool is built for that challenge, switching effortlessly between cutting, sanding, and grinding without slowing down your workflow. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime, while the 3-speed selector, up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, lets you match power to delicate trim work or tougher materials. A tool-free blade change system and built-in LED light make it especially useful in tight, dim spaces. It's the kind of versatility professionals appreciate every day. bead bazooka. Seating a tire bead often comes down to timing, pressure, and delivering enough air in an instant. That's exactly what the Gaither bead bazooka is built to do. Instead of relying on repeated air compressor attempts, this handheld tool releases a concentrated blast that helps the tire beads snap into place more efficiently. Built with durable alloy steel and protected by an internal anti-corrosion coating, it's designed to handle demanding workshop environments. Whether you're servicing trucks, farm equipment, or everyday vehicles, it brings consistency to a job that can otherwise be unpredictable. Cordless router. Precision routing becomes much easier when your tool responds smoothly instead of fighting your movements. Drywall designed this cordless router with a soft start motor and continuous electronic feedback that helps maintain cutting speed even as the load changes. The result is cleaner edge profiles and more consistent grooves without sudden surges in power. A quick adjust depth ring simplifies fine-tuning, while the electronic brake brings the bit to a stop faster after each cut. It's a thoughtful design for furniture builders and finish carpenters who value accuracy over guesswork. Works SD screwdriver. Working overhead or in tight corners often means trying to balance both the screw and the tool at the same time. The Works WX255L addresses that challenge with a built-in screw holder that keeps fasteners aligned, allowing many jobs to be completed with one hand. Its lightweight 1.1-pound design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the rechargeable battery stays ready for months between charges. Whether you're hanging shelves or installing fixtures, it's a compact solution that makes routine fastening jobs noticeably easier. Core drill. Core drilling usually means wrestling with heavy rigs, complicated setups, and the constant risk of the bit binding. The US Saw's Core EZ system takes a different approach, with a lightweight, portable design that can be assembled in just a few minutes. Instead of relying on a bulky drill stand, a guidepost keeps the core bit perfectly aligned for smoother, more consistent drilling. A built-in safety clutch immediately reacts if the bit encounters steel or jams, helping protect both the operator and the equipment. It's a practical solution for contractors who value efficiency without compromising safety. Mobile table. Moving heavy woodworking equipment around a shop can waste valuable time before the first cut is even made. Bora solves that problem by combining a durable workstation with a rolling cart in one practical design. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel, the frame supports up to 400 pounds while remaining easy to transport thanks to oversized 10-inch wheels and an integrated handle. Because the adjustable mounting system accepts many different miter saws and power tools, it's well suited for workshops where flexibility is just as important as stability. Water wheel. Dragging a long garden hose across the yard often leads to frustrating tangles, kinks, and time-consuming cleanup. The Gardena retractable garden hose reel is designed to eliminate those everyday hassles with a 100-foot hose that locks at your desired length and retracts automatically with a gentle pull. Its roll control system slows the rewind for safer operation, while the built-in hose guide helps prevent twists. Combined with a 180-degree swivel wall mount, it follows your movement around the yard with less resistance. It's a practical upgrade for anyone who waters regularly. Handheld plastic welding extruder extrusion gun. Repairing large plastic structures can be challenging when ordinary hot air welders can't deliver enough filler material. This handheld plastic welding extruder is designed for demanding fabrication work, combining separate heating systems for the base material and welding rod to create more consistent joints. Its 800-watt extrusion motor delivers up to 2.5 kilograms of material per hour, making long welds faster and more efficient. With independent digital temperature controls and a 360-degree rotating welding shoe, it's well suited for fabricating tanks, pipes, and industrial plastic components where precision matters. Chain vise. Working with long sections of pipe on uneven job sites can quickly become frustrating when your vise shifts or rocks under load. The rigid model 460 tri-stand chain vise solves that problem with a 3-leg design that naturally stays stable, even on rough surfaces. Its top-mounted chain vise securely grips pipe from 1/8 of an inch up to 6 inches in diameter, while the replaceable jaws and wear plate are built for long-term service. Foldable legs and an integrated tool tray make transportation and organization just as practical as the clamping system itself.